Savor the Spice, an introduction to Thai cuisine vocabulary. Hello, English learners. Today, we are diving into the vibrant world of Thai cuisine. We'll be expanding our English vocabulary by exploring some popular dishes, ingredients, and cooking methods specific to Thailand. Let's embark on a tasty journey of language learning and cultural discovery. To truly understand Thai cuisine, let's familiarize ourselves with some iconic dishes. Here they are. 1. Pad Thai, a famous Thai stir-fried noodle dish typically made with shrimp, tofu, or chicken. 2. Tom Yum soup, a hot and sour soup, usually cooked with shrimp. It's known for its distinct hot and sour flavors, with fragrant spices and herbs generously used in the broth. 3. Green curry, Kang Kiao Wan, a variety of Thai curry that gets its color from green chilies. The curry is made with chicken, beef, or fish balls. 4. Mango sticky rice, Khao Niao Ma Muang, a traditional Thai dessert made with glutinous rice, fresh mango, and coconut milk. Understanding Thai food also involves knowing the key ingredients. These are 1. Lemongrass, Ta Krai, a tropical plant used for its lemony flavor and citrusy aroma. 2. Galangal, Ka, similar to ginger, but with a more citrusy and piney flavor. 3. Kaffir lime leaves, Bai Makrut, known for their aromatic, astringent flavor. These leaves are widely used in Thai soups and curries. 4. Fish sauce, Nam Pla, an essential condiment used for its salty, umami flavor. Thai cooking uses various techniques, each adding its own unique touch to the dishes. Here are some common ones. 1. Stir-frying, Pad. This is a very quick cooking process, often done in a wok with a small amount of oil. 2. Grilling, Yang. This method is frequently used for cooking meat and fish. Grilling lends a smoky flavor to the dishes. 3. Steaming, Nung. Used for a variety of dishes, from seafood to desserts. This method keeps ingredients moist and enhances their natural flavors. And there you have it. We hope this culinary journey through Thai cuisine has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also inspired a deeper appreciation for Thai culture. Remember, learning a language isn't just about words and grammar. It's also about understanding the culture, traditions, and, in this case, the flavorful dishes that come with it. Until next time, happy language learning!